Hi, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's find of the week. And this week I have another beautiful hanging wrought iron planter to share with you. And I actually have this one hanging in front of the chicken coop here. It's kind of a cathedral style. And there is a larger one and a smaller one, and the specs and the dimensions for each are on the website. But it's pretty large and it's very heavy. It's pretty hefty, but you can see it's very ornate. It's got a hook up here at the top, so all you have to do is hook it on something, and you can see it's a very detailed piece, very heavy, especially once you get your plants in and after you've watered. And this probably has about a 14-inch, I'm guessing, opening diameter on it, and so you can plant your individual plants in here. Because keep in mind, this is probably about 8 inches from left to right, so it may be difficult to get a huge pot like a 12-inch in here, because it's that big, which makes it really nice for planting. And then of course you can add your sphagnum moss. This is Creeping Jenny. I put some Calibrachoa in here. They're like a miniature petunia. And then there's some deep, beautiful purple petunias in here. And again, it's kind of vintage. It's a cream off-white color, made to look rustic. So it's got these areas of rust, you know, on them to make it look old. And then you can put like a coconut coir lining on it so that your dirt doesn't fall through. And it's got a finial on the bottom. And like I said, all the specs will be on the website. There's a larger one and a smaller one. And then we've got these cute containers too, these metal containers. And they've got these really cute, I like them as planters. I've got them up here on the chicken coop, but you can see the scrolled brackets to use as shelves. They're just adorable. And then you can put your planting in there. They're super, super cute. So anyway, be sure and check out all of our planters up on the website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And be sure and go give us a like on Facebook. And have a great day. And tell us where you would hang these. Do you have chickens? Give us a like and tell us what you think about these planters and where you would put them in your yard.